Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting parasitic load and giving the battery a clean charge path. Power the Quest 3 off, or at least enable airplane mode, because charging while active slows currents. Once done, plug the original USB-C PD charger into a dedicated wall outlet, no power strips with many devices. Make sure the cable is short, high quality, and rated for PD. Long or thin cables create voltage drop. Doing this immediately raises charge current and reduces heat, which speeds up effective charging. You now optimize thermal and electrical conditions so the Quest 3 accepts higher current. Heat throttles charging, so place the headset in a cool, ventilated spot and remove silicone covers that trap heat. Once done, keep room temperature between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius. Extremes force the battery management system to slow charging. Make sure the headset is elevated to aid airflow and avoid charging on soft surfaces. These steps reduce thermal throttling and maintain peak charge rates for a faster overall fill. You finish by managing battery thresholds and handling problems properly. Aim to charge uninterrupted to 80% for the quickest practical refill. The last 20% slows by design. Once done, if charging stalls or is unusually slow, swap to a known good 1830W PD charger and a short PD cable to isolate the issue. Make sure to reboot the headset and inspect the USB-C port for lint or damage. If problems persist, contact support. Don't force higher voltages or DIY battery fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.